no reggae music sweet.
From me looking at my face, you see a de la vegan. Well, I say come Max and Glazer anti-federation. Strictly roots and culture play for nice station. Yo, yeah, me letting all you them on the money promoter. We are doing this to the dance done, I'm ready. Spain town original. I'm a neighbor string cut over Spanish town hospital. To me mama name, Nana Spanish town original. I'm a papa name, Kaneka Spanish town original. I'm a granny name, Peggy Spanish town original. Them call her sticker cause she don't normal. For your grandson, chronic such a field marshal. If I dance at school, we are the principal. And now we are the real microphone officials. Give them a new style. A Sperling in a me goodies, I'm well physical. Well, I'm offering proper chronic microphone official. Me read me Bible every day, and some well biblical. I meditate in the morning, some well spiritual. I said original chronics representing from prison over. Live and direct, hear me now. I grew up in a place called De La Vega. Spanish town rocking. Over place over. Yeah. I grew up in a place called Kansas City. Spanish town grooving. Everybody grants. Yes, I grew up. Beggar rock and come in. Me say downtown posse beggar rock and come in. Me say tell Maxine, Paulette and Pauline. And I tell them Papa Chronics him they up on the scene. Voice string out like a siren. Bring your little picnic and my lyrics them clean. No cigarette, no they are just strictly the cleanest. And no alcohol, no they are just strictly spurling. I'm a afraid bring my woman cause a royal reading. Remember said the king of kings done crown with the queen. Oh, me fell left my woman and a sprawl with machine. And me can't dance with no M16. Can't wind me good if I know all 14. And I'm a friend Papa Chronics and that royal.
Alright, times get tough again. Bread down no butter then. No this mean all handgun and long rifle a go for then. The streets now no governing. It's a free for all, can't get peace at all. Soul a fly well like a Peter Paul. See it's all clear and evident. Caused by the decadence. CIA intelligence, now Netflix have the evidence. And man a shoot pastor in a church. Man a shoot father in fitness school. Some different man a set the rules. Hey, man's a fuck. No one sing about them thing ya. When man can't even manage, put them garbage in a bin ya. Food box out a car window. I clog up the drain. And when the flooding start, the government them get the blame. My brothers, it is a shame. More time we feel embarrassed to be part of this generation, causing all these havoc. Man, what that? A man wouldn't even care about him offspring. Stop singing.
I'ma say not another word, we're not go no further. What that they are born in the earth, yeah. The youths them have no parents, so you find that they have lost their way. I'ma say not another word, we're not go no further. Your baby mother, you go murder. Revelation tell we so, I guess this is the end of day.
Hey, my virgin protege, there's so much more to say. How the place I run, I know we have to open breakers. When them come with them and just last. The youths I say they won't obey. The pedophile them start to go to spot the youths I play. I'm not on the basic school, them in a shooting range. So if I lick the tad, I'm not gonna see another day. And all I who not turn a blind eye, them I turn the other way. What's the agenda? It's coming like them November said. We will only give up on the 40th of November. We have a strong alliance with the ultimate defender. And all the tech for bundle Babylon is just an ember.
Hey, we don't learn. So now we gotta go the hard way. No, we don't learn. So trouble under the day all day. No, we don't learn. But we always gotta take the hard way.
1, 2, chicken white. Audio chicken 2, chicken 3. Audio check. Yeah man, we're good. Audio right.
and long rifle a go for them. The streets have no governing. It's a free for all, can't get peace at all. Soul a fly well like a Peter Paul. See it's all clear and evident.
And we go with live in a minute.
Intelligence, no Netflix have the evidence. And man a shoot pastor in a church. Man a shoot father in fitness school. Some different man a set the rules. Hey, matter of fact, no one think about them thing ya. When man can't even manage, put them garbage in a bin ya. Food box out a car window. I clog up the drain. Then when the flooding start, the government them get the blame. My brothers, it is a shame. More time we feel embarrassed to be part of this generation, causing all these havoc. Man, I want that. A man wouldn't even care about him offspring. Stop singing.
I'm missing out another word. We're not going no further. What that they are born in the earth, yeah. The youths them have no parents, so you find that they have lost their way. I'm missing out another word. We're not going no further. Your baby mother, you go murder. Revelation tell me so. I guess this is the end of day.
Hey, my virgin protege, there's so much more to say. All the place I run, I know we have to open pray. Cause when them come with them and just last, the youths I said they won't obey. The pedophile them start to go to smart the youths I play. I'm not on the basic school, them in a shooting range. So if I lick a tad, then I'll go see another day. Then all I will not turn a blind eye, them I turn the other way.
Hey, we don't learn.
Check it one, check it two, come on now.
No, we don't learn.
Hey, let's kick this party off like this.
All day. No, we don't learn. But we always gotta take the hard way. No, we don't learn.
And we're checking. Hey, saying a good evening, good evening, good evening. What up, we gonna party tonight. Hey, but we have to give thanks, you know, cause you know lots of stuff happening in the world. And we're here, we're doing our thing.
Alright, times get tough again. Bread now no butter then. No this mean all handgun and long rifle a go for them. The streets have no governing. It's a free for all, can't get peace at all. Soul a fly well like a
hey, saying good evening to all the civil servants.
Caused by the decadence, CIA intelligence, no Netflix have the evidence. And man a shoot pastor in a church, man a shoot father in fitness school. Some different man a set the rules. Hey, matter of fact, no one think about them thing ya. When man can't even manage, put them garbage in a bin ya. Food box out a car window, I clog up the drain. And when the flooding start, the government them get the blame. My brothers, it is a shame. More time we feel embarrassed to be part of this generation, causing all these havoc. Man a what that, a man wouldn't even care about him offspring. Stop
I'm missing out another word, we're not going no further. What that they are born in the earth, yeah. The youths them have no parents, so you find that they have lost their way. I'm missing out another word, we're not.
Hey, so let's teach the youths the right thing, alright? Make the future better.
So I guess this is the end of day.
Hey, my virgin protege, there's so much more to say. All the place I run, I know we have to open pray. Cause when them come with them and just last, the youths I said they won't obey. The pedophile them start to go to smart the youths I play. I'm not on the basic school, them in a shooting range. So if I lick a tad, then I'll go see another day. Then all I will not turn a blind eye, them I turn the other way. What's the agenda? It's coming like them November said. We will only give up on the 40th of November. We have a strong alliance with the ultimate defender. And all the tech for bundle Babylon is just an ember. Oh, pull out the weakest way. Them fall like Jenga. Line up at your cable box like a bird box challenger. Cause how can you not see that while you video them a render? If you don't know there's a battle, then you've already surrendered.
Thy will always
Hey, giving thanks for another year.
Step on this journey where Jah put me. Bully for things my weakness. Negative thoughts and unpure heart I play with like a sickness. Now the youth them have a hit list for every stall and most business. Helicopters that circle round the area like a frisbee. Unsolved mystery, my dog can't find picnic. Message in the music is the only way to fix it. I say word sound power if you hand up if you're with me. Now go make them trick quick out but now repeat the history. I say word. Where them I go do when Jah come? Don't they know thy will always be done? My people rise. Remember now we're black and we're strong. And when we're one, this is when we'll overcome.
The system is for business. Trick we kill with this we build. We when them want we vote for winnings. Then them men up missing.
Deep we slipping in the seat we need a fixing. I should never end up listen. Tell me are you?
The truth is hidden. The truth is that you wash for brain and turn we in a victim and I can't believe it.
No, they can't retrieve it. Lord, believe me. Help me, Jesus. Look and see who really feeling me.
There's a man, chronics reminding me. Asking
Hey, let's give thanks and praises.
I said in everything give God the thanks and praise. Just remember this in everything you do.
Hey, just log on.
Wherever you
We cruising, we giving thanks.
go away. I never stop my brother, man. Just keep it moving. Roof overhead, food on your plate, but you still no one give thanks. You still complaining. You're just complaining. Your pot stirring up, but it's never enough. You no one give thanks. You still complaining. You still complaining. And when they ask you how you doing, your reply is not too bad. I tell you your life would be greater if you gave thanks for what you have. In everything give God the thanks and praise. Just remember this in everything you do. Wherever you go, bring Jah along the way. I never stop my sister, no, just keep it moving. Dry your tears, my friend, you're blessed and highly favored. Don't take it for granted. Remember that garbage and next man treasure. Anyway, mountain come, my youth, you get up here. You still say you don't know how tomorrow I go stay. Tomorrow is another day. Remember some man a live on one bread a day. So when they ask you how you doing, tell them you're doing great. Oh, and never you complain. From your blood running through.
We doing it Zoom style.
In everything give God the thanks and praise.
Hey, giving thanks for another year for sure.
Remember this in everything you do.
Celebrating life.
Wherever you go, bring Jah along the way. And give thanks, my brother, man. Just keep it moving.
Can't ball in a life, man. Go on with it, go on with it.
Yo, is it? Are you kidding me?
To us, yeah. So we are coming with a force, yeah. Blessings we are reap and we coursing on full. Oh,
When we rise and boast.
yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life, man. My thank God for the journey, the earnings, and just for the plus. Yeah.
Gratitude is a must.
Yeah, me see blessings fall by my right hand. But that was for the friends that take off every load. One time did sit down in a class and we bored then only set the road and me go on with the road. Third form, me say me try a thing. And you know it formed up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with chronic say I sing. Yeah, see me all diggy soon get the higher ring. Like hello brother, me say I had to shout ya. Saw your poster, spectacular photo. Keep
All
it
right,
burning,
that's
yes,
enough of that.
that's the
Check. Good evening, everybody. And welcome to the official party, the Zoom party, as a part of the Civil Service Week. Of course, I know you're expecting to see Johnny Daly, but I'm a much better version of him, don't it? Yes, look, I'm cute and so I'm Shelly Weeks. For those who don't know me, I am the Director of Communications and PR at the Ministry of Finance and Public Service. And I will be your host until the other hosts get here. So while I'm here, I just have a little bit of information to share with you. The first thing is, if you plan to win anything, I need to see you. So you need to turn your cameras on. So when we have the little things and the little opportunities for you to win, you can't do that thing there where I just see a name or some picture that you take 5 years ago and you use it as your profile picture. No, that not keep. You have to actually turn on your camera so we can see you. Okay? So if you want to know how this Zoom party thing works, is we're having a party virtual style. Duh, it is COVID time and we do everything virtual nowadays, including having a party. So if this is your first virtual party, welcome. It's my first one, so we'll experience this together. And so, I have some other information to share with you. We're going to be doing lots of different activities, and we're going to have dancers here, and we're also going to be having some great performances. I hope you're excited about that, because I certainly am. And we have some absolutely amazing people that's going to do some things. I hear poetry involved, I hear singing involved. I'm just excited to see it all. But before I get into the festivities, I want to just wish a happy birthday to Miss Verlene Hall Smith of the MOF. P.S. I hope you've had a wonderful day, and I hope you will have a wonderful rest of the day. All right, so let's talk about Civil Service Week. Now, Civil Service Week was established in 1992 under the auspices of the Jamaica Civil Service Association and via a proclamation by His Excellency, the Governor General, Sir Howard Cook. The third week of November, well, each year this week is observed for this event. This year's Civil Service Week is November 21st to 26th, and that's why this on the 26th is our last day and a perfect opportunity for us to relax and have some fun with each other, which is what we're planning to do here today. For those of you who missed the other activities this week, let me tell you what else happened. On the 21st, we had a church service. I hope you all tuned into that. Zoom church service, obviously. And on the 23rd, we had a public forum where we learned a lot of very important information. I hope you didn't miss that. And even if you did, feel free to go onto the ministry's YouTube channel and watch it. Trust me, there's a whole heap of very useful information there that you should certainly get a chance to see. Now, on the 24th, there was the Long Service Awards, and the supplement was published. And today, this morning, as a matter of fact, the Civil Servant of the Year awards were announced. And do you know who they are? I'm going to tell you. And you might want to pay attention to this because there might be an opportunity to win something later. Hint, hint. So, the Civil Servant of the Year in the technical category was won by Clayton McCullough of the Ministry of Health's Clarendon Health Department. Feel free to applaud him, call him, big him up, send him an email, because this is awesome.
See?
Yes. Whatever you did just now, that. So this is always good to celebrate when people do good work. So absolutely. Then we have Mr. Ronald Frew. He won in the middle management category. He's at the Administrator General, and we want to congratulate him as well. So call him, big him up when you see him, you know. Give him a nice elbow, encourage him to continue the good work. And in the management category, Miss Andreen Davidson from JIS won that. Awesome. I'm always happy to see when people are rewarded for good work. So kudos to all of the winners. So we said it's a party, right? So I'm not going to stand up here and just chat all day. We're going to play some music and dance and so. So, Mr. DJ, see if you can find something. Let me go. But by the way, I'm old, so I'm going to dance how old people dance. So work with it. Oh, and I have my dancers with me. Hey, all who don't have a dancer bat.
Go on with it, go on with it. Yo, is it? Are you kidding me?
Toast, yeah. So we are coming with a force, yeah. Blessings we are reaping, we coursing on full. Oh, we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really support.
I'm gonna just move here, man.
Blessings all for my life and
Hey, watch it dance at them body.
Third form, me say me try a thing. And you know it formed up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with chronic say I sing. Yeah, see me all diggy soon get the higher ring. Like hello brother, me say I just shot ya. Saw your poster, spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If me the butter pass through your soul to get all in a life, man. Me have to thank God for the journey, the earnings, not just for the plus. Yeah, and gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall, them right on. But I toast to the friends who take off every load. One time they sit down in a class on board, then only set the road, them go on with it, go on with it. Just show our blessings upon me, and send me to tell them a story. Just show our blessings upon me, and that's how I'm gonna give him the glory. I'm delighted. Jah knows I'm a passion ignited. Got the music get me excited. Coming like a boss.
I know everybody I go like we, still we irie. Come in no love life, in a dance style. I know everybody I go like, still we irie. Come in no love life, no. So every time I rise, we do it for the love, we not do it for the light. See it for the love, we not do it for the light. See it for the love, we not do it for the light. See it for the love, we not do it for the light. Make them know success don't come overnight. No make them know a substance over hype. Do it for the love, we not do it for the light. No for them love light, that's alright. Sit down on a post and a tweet all night. Sit them on social media type. While like say them they a studio advice. Oh me never put them up on no flight. And me never see them a live no tour life. You miss someone now you have so much likes. I'm always still a lead by iTunes. Simple mean we not ready yet. If you put the music first and side. While we they on a war and a hype. Free and work, dance all. When you see me yes and I see I. And every tune when me never write. And every show where we headline. No, we not do it for the likes. When we tell them we do it for the love. We not do it for the light. Sweet for the love, da-da-dee-da-da-dee. Sweet for the love, we not do it for the light. Never tell you if you bust no shot and quench them. Instead to tell us that they gonna buy a yen yen. Come we do it for the love, we not do it for the light.
Check. Bring it down, Mr. DJ. Hold on there. Because, you know, on now go just do that something there. Me like that shoulder style the way you do right now. So, Miss Fantastic Steppers, by the way, please put your virtual hands together for the Fantastic Steppers. They must step, don't it? Yes. So, show me that shoulder something. You do one shoulder something, you jump forward and come back so and look like you do two jumping jack. So, just help me out there, please. All right. Step with the right. Yeah.
Still we irie. Come in no love lights. In a dancehall style. I know everybody I go like. Still me irie. Come in no love lights. No, so every time I rise, we do it for the love, we not do it for the light. See it for the love, we not do it for the light. Sweet for the love, we not do it for the light. See it for the love, we not do it for the light. Make them know success don't come overnight. No make them know a substance over hype. Do it for the love, we not do it for the light. No for them love light, that's alright. Sit down on a post and a tweet all night. Sit them on social media type. While like say them they a studio advice. Oh me never put them up on no flight. And me never see them a live no tour life. You miss someone now you have so much likes. I'm always still a lead by iTunes. Simple mean we not ready yet. If you put the music first and all. While we they on a war and a hype. Free and work, dance all. When you see me yes and I see I. And every tune when me never write. And every show where we headline. No, we not do it for the likes. When we tell them we do it for the love. We not do it for the light. Sweet for the love, da-da-dee-da-da-dee. Sweet for the love, we not do it for the light. Never tell you if you bust no shot and quench them. Instead to tell us that they gonna buy a yen yen. Come we do it for the love, we not do it for the light. On to them, swing them not like us, but we not respond. Fly out and make them look we from a distance.
Oh my gosh. It look like we can join the team, don't it? What? Who me tired though, Jesus. Hold on. We should have stretch first. warm up or something. Oh my gosh. I cannot be this out of shape. Fantastic steppers. Thank them for me now, please. Don't go and rest in yourself because I'm going to learn dirt before the diet done. Don't worry yourself. But I understand from the past that after other waistline something they go lubricate my waistline. Well, we don't. We'll work it out. We'll work it out. Yes. Whew. You know, I'm properly tired. Jesus. Oh gosh.
You're out of shape, man.
Oh Jesus. Ryan, don't do me that. Jesus. DJ Steel.
Are the COVID cause it? We stop go road and dance, eh?
They supposed me to have on heels. No, sir. This not look good for my resume yet. All right. It's a good thing I'm planning to get my fitness on. So, I will be able to, next time when you see me, I'm not going to speak to me with some respect. So you see that gentleman here who over here start talking about me out of shape, I'm going to have to apologize. Like, just prepare your apology. I want it in writing, stamped and signed by a JP. Okay? So now I'm going to invite a very, very nice lady. She is the, what we call head cook and bottle washer for the Jamaicans. And she has a few words that she wants to share with you. I'm talking about Mrs. Lorna Phillips. She's the Principal Director, Employees Relation Branch in the Strategic Human Resource Management Division. This is where you put your virtual hands together and welcome her, please.
I really don't know how to do this because I'm not a party person, but I have a role to play, and that is to welcome you all to this virtual Zoom party. And what I want to say here is that last year, when COVID hit us, it caught us flat, right? And so if you know anything about netball, we never pivot too quickly, so we lose the play. But this year, we learned the strategies, and we pivoted, and we are able to be bringing you tonight a Zoom party, akin to what we used to call afterwork lime, and most times we would have it up at NHT Clubhouse. Well, tonight we are at Knutsford Court Hotel, and you're at your home hotel doing your thing. And it promises to be a very interesting night. And so I want you all to turn on your cameras. Remember, you can't win the prizes if you don't turn on your cameras. We have prizes and surprises. And I really just want to welcome everyone. Tell your friend, all the people who usually come to the NHT Sports Club, call up your friends and tell them that the party keeping tonight and that everybody must come on so that you all can have some fun. I really don't have much words for you because I don't want Shelly to ask me to dance or anything like that because that would be catastrophic. So I'm going to whoosh on out of here and wish you all a good night.
Thank you very much, Mrs. Phillips. Don't bother wish too fast, you know. I might have other plans for you later. You gave me an idea just now. I don't know if you wanted to do that. But, yes. For those of you who are just joining us, you are, in fact, in the Zoom party. This is the last hurrah, the bang, the close of Civil Service Week 2021. I am your interim host, Shelly Ann Weeks, and I'm here to just take you through the proceedings as we continue to enjoy ourselves. Feel free to turn on your cameras so we can see you, and we're going to be interacting with you from time to time, so there are opportunities to win all sorts of prizes and giveaways and all these exciting things. So you have to turn your cameras on so we can see you, so feel free to go ahead and do that. Right now we have, I told you we have performances, right? And we have lots of talent and all these kind of things going on in here. And before I even get into the performers that are actually here on premises, I want to show you a video that was made by one of our colleagues, a civil servant, who's just telling us, you know, well, you'll see.
No Little Twang by Louise Bennett. Me glad to see you come back, boy. But Lord, you let me down. Me shame on you so till all of me proudness drop a ground. You mean you go to America and spend 6 whole months there and come back not a piece better than how you did go away? Why you no shame? It's so you come after you tan so long, not even little language boy, not even little twang. Why you couldn't improve yourself and you get so much pay? You spend 6 months of foreign and come back ugly same way? No back answer me boy. You talk too bad. Shut up your mouth. I don't know how you and your papa going to make it out. If you want to please him, make him think you bring back something new. You always call him Pa. This evening when him come, say Pooh.
All of us who did common entrance. No little twang is the poem. All of us who had to do common entrance in high school, and yes, I said common entrance. For the young ones, you don't know of what I speak. All the old people in the building, you know what common entrance. Yes, man. Common entrance was a thing, yes? Remember mental ability? Who remember mental ability? Yes! Old people there. All right. Yes. But all of us who had to do phonics and mental ability, right? We had to learn that poem. We had to learn Miss Lou. We had to know how to recite it. And we have to do it with attitude. So see the part there where him say, you spend 6 months of foreign and come back ugly same way. You have to deliver the ugly. Because, you know, he fix up himself. And he got foreign, and that is why a lot of Jamaicans got foreign go get themselves in debt when them come here so them can floss. Because those are the expectations we have. If you go foreign, you must prop up yourself, don't it? Anyhow, again, this is the Zoom party, Civil Service Week. We are here to just have a really good time, lots of fun. We have more performances coming up. But before we get to the performances, I just want to ask you, put it in the chat, represent for your department, for your ministry. Let me see who's here. We're kind of doing a roll call. We want to see which ministry you're from. We want to see the branch that you're in. We want to represent for yourself on the Zoom. And we're going to introduce our first performer in about 5 minutes. Drop something on the ones and twos. JISTV.
As JISTV play.
Lord, destruction that wasted that day. The time have just come.
When I look at where I'm coming from, I know I'm blessed, and I close my eyes and smile. Sometimes I feel like the richest man in Babylon, and I've done my best.
Hey, so right now, if you have achieved something in life or you're proud of yourself,
every morning I rise, I stare at the sun. I know it is a blessing. So
you are blessed.
evening comes, I lift up my eyes to this. I'm blessed, oh man. With my 2 hands in the air as far as I can. Lift up my eyes to this, I'm blessed, oh man. Ooh. Sometimes I'm lost and far from home, but I'll find my way. I follow my heart, I know I'll be found someday. While I'm lost, I learn and live. What do you say? Let's have a good time until that day. Oh, every morning. I know it is a blessing. So when the evening comes, I lift up my eyes to this. I'm blessed, oh man.
Hey, man, we don't spread some love now. Spread some love all over the world.
I pray for my friends to be healthy, dripping in nice living wealthy. God never want a pocket for empty. Cut out jealousy, greed, and envy. Cause all we need is just love.
Hey, so if you're spreading some love, if your heart is clean, hey, tell your friends about it. It's the Zoom party.
Well, everyone says love's the answer. They say we got the problem solved. If love is the key, then open the door and let it flow. Sweetest feeling, and it no cost something to show love. Still we dance before we not know love. So I know there is hope for the hopeless. Believe and just trust in the process. God never want a pocket for empty. Cut out jealousy, greed, and envy. Cause all we need is just love. Oh, enough love. It's not enough love. Just love. We're different, but it's alright. Everyone in their own style. Teach you while you teach me. We are learning our own way. Yeah. Cause I don't want way to dress, I don't want way to talk, but I want life to live. And I just want love.
Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible, believe. If I can do it, you can spread your wings.
And if you're feeling blessed,
nothing is impossible. If I can do it, you can spread your wings. Blessing off a flow like a river. 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 That's why them for know some man a leader. Shatter them ready, man a leader. Blessing off a flow like a river. Turn them back and we turn them in a believer.
Check it out, Mr. DJ. Hold on there, cause if you don't think I mean I learned to dance before the day done. Hold on. Pause there, sir. When I do one jankro move a while ago, me like. More learn the jankro something there. Where you fly like a jankro, yeah. Yeah, more learn the jankro something. Jankro one, man, where you fly your wings like this, yeah.
a jankro wings.
Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible, believe. If I can do it, you can spread your wings. Nothing is impossible. If I can do it, you can.
And if you're feeling blessed,
blessing off a flow like a river. 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 That's why them for know some man a leader. Shatter them ready, man a leader. Blessing off a flow like a river. Turn them back and we turn them in a believer.
Wow, no make me look good though. Tank on. Fantastic steppers teaching me how to be a dancer, people. Ooh. Yeah, man, I go and practice, cause you see, anytime dance start, keep again. Ooh, bad like me. Yeah. All right. I ask you to no, see, I'm tired, you know. Like I'm not pretending. I'm just catching my breath. Give me a second. Whew. All right. So I asked you to represent for your ministry and the department, and some people have been doing that. Sharika Foster over there, Ministry of Finance in Accounts. Big up you. What's going on? Alicia Grant representing Ministry of Education, Youth and Information in Projects Accounts. Big up you. MOFPS Accounts Department under there. Hi, Janelle. All right. And Sophia Dunbar James over there at MOF. Big up you as well. Office of the Services Commission. Police, Judicial Unit, Vivica Richards, manners and respect, yeah? And who's this? Miss Carter from MOFPS Shermed, big up you as well. Jacqueline Johnson Mingos, make sure you pronounce her husband's name, from the Ministry of Education Finance Division. Big up you, and big up to everybody joining us right here on this Zoom party, Civil Service Week. This is the last day, so you know we have to have some fun, right? I also want to make sure that you understand how this Zoom works. So some persons are trying to come on, and you may notice that you get a request to be a panelist. Accept the request. What that does, it allows you to come on, turn on your camera, but you won't be able to turn on your microphone. We don't need to talk to you. We just want to see you. All right? So, of course, we want to make sure that you're enjoying the vibes. And you can join in my dance lesson too, right? Because we have to get ready for when dance start keep again. We know the protocols in that space, right? Yes, man, because right now, Della Move me still doing, you know. Young people, Della Move is a dance. I'm not sure now how to Della Move. Google it. So, in the meantime, we're going to move into our first live performance. Are you ready? Oh, Lord. I don't know if I'm ready. Are you ready? No, man. I don't think I'm don't hold on there. DJ, I wonder if we need to give them one song for go and meditate till they're ready. Kind of sound like they're ready. Play one song, make them think about, yeah, give one song, please.
Good time. There's gonna be good time, good time.
I know there's gonna be
work every day till we meet ends. I fit turn it up on the weekends. Boss a toast to your real friend. Tell me why you're drinking, yeah.
I know there's gonna be good time.
Running about the money.
There's gonna be good time. There's gonna be good time. Good time.
Good times, there's gonna be some good times. Man, we used to pull up and let them fight at that hood time. Remember I used to grab on that ass when it was about that wood time. If that little bitch walk up tripping, she get that much time.
Come on. We're having a good time all night tonight, Zoom style. Yeah, man, we go modern for ya.
Yeah, you know see a popcorn, I'm representing for JISTV.
I let her write me my suggestion. Pop quiz, it's a pop quiz. All my money coming clean, you can't pop this. She got that block, throw like lunch meal. Watch out, come to my lights like a reindeer. Me and Poppy on the same pill.
I like that style here, it's easy to do. We can do one and Janko Fly.
What is that, Janko Fly?
I said name the Janko Fly? All right, we call it that. This is the Janko Fly. One and Janko.
Wounded Janko.
Hey! Yes, man. Hey, Jamaica's national girl. Bring it down, Mr. DJ. Thank you so much. Yes, I don't know the official name of that dance, but until I know, we call it the Janko for now. So don't go out a road and talk to people who are in the know and ask them about the Janko. You're going to look silly. Okay? Don't follow me. Okay. I promised you a performance, and of course, this concert is dubbed the concert part of the Zoom party, Another Side of Me. And you'll see why in a minute. We're going to introduce Mr. O'Neill Grant, President, Jamaica Civil Service Association, to serenade us. Ladies, hold on to your hearts so he doesn't steal it. Welcome him, the man. Come on, Mr. Grant. Give him some virtual applause.
We're going to change the pace a little bit. We have been doing modern dancehall. And you know that we have old people in the place. And we have to cater to the old people first, right? So we're going to go old school. And then we bring it back to the modern era. So, anybody who is old enough know about Clyde McFatter. So this song is from Clyde McFatter, and it's not accompanied by any music. I'll try and go a cappella. So, here goes. Does she loves me with all her heart? Should I worry when we're apart? It's a lover's question I like to know. Does she needs me? Does she pretend? Is this a game? If so, would I win? It's a lover's question I like to know. I like to know when she's not with me. Is she still true to me? I like to know when we're kissing. Does she feel just what I feel? And how am I to know it's really real? Oh, tell me where the answer lies. Is it in her kiss or in her eyes? It's a lover's question I'd like to know. I'd like to know when she's not with me, is she still true to me? I'd like to know when we're kissing, does she feel just what I feel? And how am I to know it's really real? Oh, tell me where. Who the answer lies? Is it in her kiss or in her eyes? It's a lover's question I'd like to know. 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 Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Too short?
I don't know, I felt like I almost came on and gave you some dance move in the background, you know, because I feel like a real dancer, and I must tell you, my inner dance have been awoken. Yes, superstar. So anyway, for those of you just tuning in and wondering what's going on your computer screen, this is the Zoom party as a part of the Civil Service Week, and I'm so happy to be here. I'm your host for now, for the evening, and my name is Shelly-Ann Weeks, and we are just having a wonderful time. Anybody enjoy themselves so far? Put in the chat if you like what's going on, if you're enjoying what's going on, because I'm having a hell of a time, you know. So far, I learned 2 different dance moves, and I feel like I can build up something so I can make my other old friends feel very bad when done. But in the meantime, Mr. DJ, Mr. Thorpe made an old man comment just now. And enough old people there here for true. So find one of them old-timey songs make you can show. Because the fantastic steppers young, you know, but them know how to keep, right? I don't know, like rock steady vibes. You know, that's something the way when people used to dance as couples. Yeah, back in the day when, you know, and not just people over here saw Willie Bones and people over there saw Signal the Plane, you know? 2 different people used to dance together. That kind of, yes. That kind of vibes there. Where's my fantastic steppers? Come, I can show them how it gonna. Yes, man. Little skankins and so. Yeah, man. Hey. Just one thing. I know how to dance to them song here. No, not go down me. Yeah. I know how to dance to them song here. No, I want you, sir. For what you make me come, ain't that love in you? Ain't that love in you? Far more reasons than one.
say, love is never to say you're sorry. You're gonna be my baby. Yeah. Love is never to say you're sorry. Yet what is to be must be. Yeah. To me, your love is the best. You've got a way to kiss and caress. That's why you're better than the best. I like the things you do. Do you know what it means to have a revolution? And what it takes to make a solution? Fighting against oppression. Ooh, yeah. Battering down depression. Oh, yeah.
I tell you, the young people them don't know nothing about that scam, because they move too fast, don't it? They move too fast, man. You have to listen to the drum and bass, man. Yeah, you have to listen to the bass, you know, because when the basses are played, it's in face makeup. Yeah, you have to work with the basses, you know. Yeah, no, man, you see it in your forehead. Yeah, you know, and you'll just rent a tile, just stay away there, one place. And just rock. Think me I'm Rockstead. Yeah! You can't tell me about this. I don't know about junk and dirt, but I know about this. Yeah?
Do you know what it means to have a
And you bust a blank right here, sir.
and what it takes to make a solution?
Thank you so much, fantastic steppers. Do not pressure the young people them, but we have to teach them how it go. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Listen to me now. I don't know anything about the new dance them, you know, but I can tell you about the old stuff. Call me all. Yeah. But me not call. Yeah. So them learn something today. Them learn about the cool and deadly. Yeah, man, when you dance, you have to make up your face. Yeah, you have a dance. You know, you can tell the person's age by how them dancing, because if them have a dance face, them all. Don't it? Like, no matter what is happening, when them start dance, them just put on them dance face. Hey, look, listen to me now, man. Don't worry yourself that I don't know the new stuff, but I can tell you about Dennis Brown and Frankie Paul and them people there. Don't worry yourself. I know about them something there. For those of you who missed it today, we had the Civil Servant of the Year Awards, and we had some winners. I announced them earlier, but I just want to big them up again. Kudos for your hard work, and kudos to everybody who was nominated and everybody who continues to work hard to serve Jamaica, because this is not an easy job. Trust me, I know. All right? So big up to everybody who come in every day and try their best, because your work is not in vain, and what you do absolutely matters. So, the persons who won the Civil Servant of the Year award in the following categories are: in the technical category, Clayton McCullough from the Ministry of Health, Clarendon Health Department. Congratulations, Clayton. Remember, you're going to see him, you're going to send him an email, you're just going to big him up overall. In the second category, Mr. Ronald Frew, he won in the middle management category, and he's at the Administrator General's office. Congratulations, Ronald. Also, in the management category, Miss Andreen Davidson of the Jamaica Information Service won in that category. So a big congratulations to all of the winners. And again, to all the nominees, congratulations to you as well. And please ensure you continue the good work. Because I know sometimes when you don't win these kind of things, you feel like nobody don't see that you're working. But trust me, You make a difference, so continue to strive and do your best. Now, I told you I had some treats for you, right? I told you we have some performance, right? Always stay, Mr. DJ. All right, we're getting there. Don't worry yourself, we go and get there. So, in the meantime, I asked you to represent for your ministry, represent for your department. So continue to do that in the chat. And remember, if you get a request to be a panelist, accept it. It allows you to turn your video on. And I want to see you, man. Turn on the camera so I can see you, so I can see you enjoying yourself and vibe and so. And see if you don't know how to do the junker dance and the other dance that I'm going to learn. Hey, by the hook or the crook, I'm going to learn how to do it before we leave here today. Just FYI. I tried to do it a couple times and it just looked like my hip bone now work with the rest of my body. So, I don't know. But we'll figure it out. In the meantime, Mr. DJ, drop a few lines now while we get ready for our next performance.
Can nobody take it all away? Nah, 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 nah. Hurting you, loving you, hurting till you had enough.
Come on.
They say I'll never make it. The dreams I'm chasing, I'm all alone. I am destined for greatness. Time to embrace it.
Good evening for everyone destined for greatness. Yeah, man, get up out of your chairs and dance.
Tell everybody whoever doubt me, no matter how it's cloudy, I make it out proudly. Oh, and then when you get crowded, I'm stepping on my show, clearly them never know me.
And you see when the civil servants, them must step up in a life.
Thanks for the love that's around.
Don't bad mind them, help them.
Show me, yeah, we are rise and it's a bundle. The rest of my keep with it on under. More love to my daughter than my son. And we come running over like a fountain. Yeah, they say I'll never make it. The dreams I'm chasing, I'm all alone. I am destined for greatness. Time to embrace it, breaking the mold.
And remember, the party continues.
And I say get on your feet.
DJC representing.
Strength and blessings I bring. And this one for all of my queens and kings. We are royalty, you feel know.
And we're mixing it up all night tonight. Old school, new school, no school rules. We got the dancers. We got the party people. We got the Zoom audience.
They say I'll never make it. The dreams I'm chasing, I'm all alone. I am destined for greatness. Time to embrace it, breaking the mold. Nah, they don't see it. When you start out, they gon' give you dirt. But you find out what you're really worth. Then you go hard and you deliver. They gonna try to take it all away. Can nobody take it all away? Nah, 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 nah. Hurting you, loving you, hurting till you had enough. They say I'll never make it. The dreams I'm chasing.
This is Alicia Keys, Chronic's Protege.
I am destined for greatness. Time to embrace it, breaking the mold.
Hey, right now, if you're at home, you're blessed, you're feeling good, turn it up.
Yeah, shorty. Tell everybody whoever doubt me, no matter how it's cloudy, I make it out proudly. Oh, and then when you get crowded, them stepping on my show, clearly them never know me. Sometimes the journey's so long. Give thanks for the love that's around me. The love that my family show me. Yeah.
How we arise at the top on them.
Till the rest of my keep with it on under. More love to my daughter than my son. And we come running over like a fountain. Yeah. They say I'll never make it. The dreams I'm chasing, I'm all alone. I am destined for greatness. Time to embrace it, breaking the mold.
Hey, if you're feeling good, if you're feeling irie. And we gotta be jamming until you say when. When you say Shelly, I went the party are finished. We ain't finishing, right? We jamming civil servant style. Yeah, man, we are cruise.
If you got a lover in your life, then why you acting like you don't know?
Yeah.
You know, say now easy be the man we make you shine all night. If you got a lover, we can give you the charge when you're low. Tell me what's the reason why you steady blowing up?
Alright, tell her we jamming.
Trying to make you feel blessed. Check. Give you daily blessings. Tonight, nothing serious, so we just one flex.
Check. Boy, ZJ Steel, come out for them on the Zoom party this evening. ZJ Steel, big up all of yourself down to your shoe size. Yes, right now, we are going to get to the nice part of the performance. But before we do, I want to big up the persons who are representing on the chat, National Public Health Lab. Big up yourself. They are still working and enjoying the vibes. Big up all of you. Uno may talk about. Uno over there doing the work anyway. What you do is necessary and we appreciate you. Big up all yourself. I don't know if I want to big up your shoe size because in a scientific lab, I don't want the big foot people in there. So we could just leave it at that. Yes. Please remember to join the panelists. So when you get the request to join the panelists, click accept. We want you to turn your cameras on. We have things to go on, you know. We have giveaways and so, you know, but we have to see you on the camera. If you turn on the camera, you win a prize. Yeah, and that's how we think. Turn on the camera, make us see you, you win a prize. Easy as that. Not the people in the room who are here, not that don't keep. People who are in the Zoom land, turn on your cameras, let us see you, please. We want to say big ups to everybody who is tuning in. Ministry of Education, Ministry of Finance, I see Ministry of Health. I see people all over the public sector tuning in, and I thank you for joining us. It's a vibe. If you didn't know, if you're just joining us, I know you expected to see Johnny, but you just see a better looking person, so yeah. Because Johnny's stuck in a little traffic right now, so you're stuck with me, and we just enjoy the vibes. You know, I don't even know if he's going to make it at this point, because I hear say outside I go on with a bag of things with the traffic. People, where so much car come from in a real life? Anyway, oh yes, it's Black Friday, right? So we are, hold on a minute, man. Hey, you ever hear old people say you're going to live until them son, yeah? But call the man name and he appears like Beetlejuice. For those who don't know what Beetlejuice is, Google it. Big up the ouster with the most stir, Mr. Johnny Dale in the right color this evening. I'm going to make him tailor press a jacket and so him come out. So without further ado, let me introduce you to the rest of the evening host, and I'll hand over to Mr. Christopher Johnny Daly. Give him some virtual applause, man.
Boy, bossy. No, give it up for the lady, the doctor with the most love right now. We call her, Dr. Sexy. Big up yourself, you know. Hey, no, the civil service family know the thing going already. I know what we say. All right. Hey, pull up. The thing turn up right now. Civil service week, you know the thing go. Big up to all my civil servants out there. You know, so now essential service, civil servants, don't ramp with the thing, You know, say as a former civil servant, we know how important the thing go. So I celebrate the folks who are, what we call them, essential to the motive, the central part of government in Jamaica. Essential, how no central. Oh, my son, people. No, I'm a son. No? Yeah, study the maths. Yeah, listen to it and study the maths. Don't study too hard, Remember, don't study too hard. Listen up, people, I come for have a good time. Selector, what are you doing?
Read about the place, man. What you do with selector? Dance session, you know. I like the whole vibes, you know. You see what I go on, the people them come for party, you know. You see me a deal?
You know the new dance them?
New what?
Yeah.
New dance? That's a go.
Show them.
Be a chacha boy,
be a chacha ni go away. Chacha boy, be a chacha ni go away. Chacha boy, be a chacha ni go away. Chacha boy, sleep in free time food. Me go on a
no,
you're coming like
it's on tonight, you know.
Johnny, you're coming like them artists.
It's on tonight. Look, yes, sir. What is the problem? That's on my camera. Me bringing come here, sir. So you have to have my camera. I see much camera around here. Every camera on my camera. We are talking about. Hello, that's my camera. They might follow me around. So if I move around, my camera's here, me. That means say, you don't say, that's going to give you a problem if you have my camera. Listen, I just walked in straight off the road, you know, so because I'm like to come on time, but you know, so look at the traffic catch me, but you know, just a little tip off. Who have the agenda? What am I supposed to call on now? More know before I continue, because we'll go on for the whole night, you know. Eh? Oh, the great doctor. You saw me I start about somebody give me a piece of paper so I can put angle to the doctor name and call the doctor properly and so on. Yes, because we have to do this thing properly now. We have to show respect to all the hard-working civil servants out there who keep, as I said, the engine of Jamaica going. You know what I mean? I say, good. See the parent P come back with information here. Thank you, Dr. Sexy Ann.
Allow us to converse. Mr. DJ?
Yeah.
Give us some little conversation.
Good. Because you just call me and right away so I know, so I like to balance up my mind. Remember, say when I have to balance me, you know. Me the little one when I need balancing.
Excuse me, you asked the man to play Bossy when you come on.
Bossy? That him play?
That him did play.
At some did look. At some look.
No, but I understand the Bossy energy, but you should have stopped first before you Bossy.
No, so you know a segue. You don't know segue go. But a segue, where a segue in that party. You don't know a segue. Listen, watch it. DJ, play something again. Can I show the segue go right now? We don't need a long time, you know. Drop something again. All right.
Watch a style.
Watch a style, yeah. Right, you know, see, look good that red door. What you want, sir?
We are chacha boy.
Boy. All right. Watch out now. What you say?
So this person going.
All right, we're going to put on this. Play a song, sir. I want to know DJ, yeah.
Watch a style, we are chacha boy, be a chacha ni go away. Chacha boy, be a chacha ni go away. We are chacha boy, be a chacha ni go away. Chacha boy, we are sleeping at free time food. Me go on a kick like Jackie Chan. Rolex, figures skiffing a me high grade. Where you get it from up a Barbican road. 10 cars, giving it a bang bang. Italy, no brother, we not shop at Thailand. Out there, every gal to Switzerland. 100 guys, pack up your so the thing can. Ravens, you are be a chacha boy in a the gang. We are chacha boy, be a chacha ni go away. Chacha boy, be a chacha ni go away. We a chacha boy, be a chacha ni go away. Chacha boy,
be a chacha ni go away. You're so simple and work out. That we are talking about in MG. I saw the things set up in us, so we work out the things simply, you know. You understand? No. Alright, now we ourselves. Fantastic steppers in that place too, you know what I mean? To the thing go. Alright, you say you want to know the young people them thing go. Right? So in the meantime, while they find, you know, they're getting ready for the next performer, I'm going to do a bit of a business here. We have some civil servants who won some awards, you know what I mean, recently, Civil Servant of the Year. So we're ready for, you know what I mean, give out that award and make the announcement right now. So Civil Servant of the Year. It's a big thing, listen up. It's a big deal, listen up, people. Big deal. Are you ready? I want to know if the people who watch online enjoy themselves. But I know, because myself, may I see now. I know, somebody on a big screen can tell me. Somebody on a big screen. Yes, but I see some people. Look here, no show yourself, no people. Open the camera now. I understand if you never clean in the yard, just go to a look at one wall where look good. You know there's something going on, just catch it now on one wall where look good. You must have a corner where they have a flowers or a picture frame or something. Yeah, turn on a little light and I see some people. Me, every time I do them online something, I can't see the people, I feel away now. You know, Daniel Pasley. Turn on your light, I can't read, you know. Sylvia. Lana Phillips. You don't live nowhere. What is it? Lana, you in here? I'm still catch up on the people and something. Come on, after man, so you can run smoother. So somebody can come on. You know they're alive. You never want to tell everybody say they're alive. You shouldn't bail out. No, for real. Who else is here? Who else is here? Alicia Grant. I can't read, you know. Daniel, Pasley. Them say you are decent. Show yourself. Lorna Phillips. Oh, look here. Me we get trouble now. All right. Yes, man. Tell me where them start. Good. Who that show them say, all right, Fayan. Yes, man. Oh, God, Fayan. Fayan, you work hard. Fayan, you work hard. Oh, God. Still at the office on a Friday. Oh, God. Them figure you overtime. Oh, God, a good thing you're the police. Them have to pay you for it. Yeah, me don't really do it now. Big up to all my police friends in the house. I know some love for them like, wow. All right, hold on now. Civil Servant of the Year Award. Are you ready? I want to know if they're ready. If you're ready, say yeah. Me sorry, me do it like a big stage show. Me depend see when I live for the day. And that me depend right now straight. If you're ready, say yeah. You know the dancer when them say, anywhere there, big up my friend, anywhere them there. That matter right now. Anyone there right now, I watch. Big up on yourself. You know the thing, Gary. Just ball out same way. I know they are same way. You see me live and direct. All right. Civil Servant of the Year. Now I'm going to start off with the name I have here. Third place. Is that right? I saw it go. I'm going to say first, second, and third. What am I going to do? I just 3 different categories. All of them win. Good. Some of you just big them up because them win already. Them win already. So you know so they win already. You see what going people, that's why if you just not running on the work right away, you just come in and get some information, you know. All right, I want to big up Clayton McCullough. Clayton McCullough, big up yourself. Technical category. Respect. Yeah, man. Ronald Frew. Give me work for do. Ronald, that name they give me work for do. It's the kind of name where you have to think about before you say nothing. Ronald Frew. If you ever say Ronald, make a dance here, man. Ronald Frew, big up yourself. All right, the next name now, not so bad. The name is easy. Angelina Davidson. No, turn up the music is bad. Come on. The big winner. Come. All right. Skankers, don't really bad hour. Watch how we're going to do this now. Watch how we're going to do this now. I'm not with him there now. Dance with him, see me. Dance with him. Bring on the Skankers to some dance with him. Just to read him, you know. Don't pay the stand, man. I read him alone, no one. I'm going to save the Skanker them really bad now. We're going to read him alone. But take off all my mask. I want to look good, you know. Hold on the camera. I want to make sure them get the full look. Prepare for them, you know. Yes. Skitty bang, skitty bang, 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 dang. Skitty bang, skitty bang, dang, 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 dang. Skitty bang, skitty bang, dang, 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 dang. Skitty bang, skitty bang. Watch it dance on them. Skitty bang, skitty bang, dang, 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 dang. Skitty bang, skitty dang, 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 dang. Skitty bang, skitty dang, 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 dang. Yo, watch it dance on them. Yo, say them a skank to the rhythm, them a skank to the beat, and me dance on them a skank, and them a skank on them feet, and I rock it to the rhythm. Me say watch how them do it. Real dance on them, and me say man in the street change the style. Say you know say you're wicked and impossible. You know say you a bad child, everything done wicked. So we do it while we civil servants them now. Hey, and me say working real hard, and they say them a go, and we they are at a nose, and they think them a blow, and I jam it on them like a boat. Watch how them a go dancers. Right now, them a put on a show. Everybody lift up. Hey, pull up your man on my bad. Hey, oh no go. Hey. Oh no, clap it dance to them, man. Clap it dance to them, people. I want person. You know say black people on hard. You know say for this white people the whole room are tear down. Oh no, make we have to do all of this whole heap of work, you know. Oh no, hey, let me tell you something, people. Don't worry yourself. All right, we have the lady. Is she ready? She's not quite ready. Don't worry yourself. Don't worry. I'll give her enough time. Yes. Good. Oh, the boss ready? Jesus, the boss is ready. And you know what? If the boss ready, you know what you're going to get. You're going to get a show. Because that's what we're here for. So you know. Hey, you know what? But not like, hey, I rate DJs, you know. Remember, I'm not playing nothing for about 3 minutes now, you know. Look how I'm busy over there, people. You know, me rate on hey, don't forget every money, not good. Me not actor, you know. The man now play, not nobody see me over the busy from about 3 minutes now I'm busy. So listen, no, not now play. Hey, you good. I remember saying on all time days when they have to search in a crate for actual music, you know, they right in front of them. Them wicked is no. Anyway, I'm on the big boss here, man. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're never ready for the next performance, say yeah. All right, coming to the stage now. It's one of your very own. So you know the thing, a special introduction for the boss himself. Let's welcome Denzel Thorpe, your permanent secretary, MCGES. Who ready, Mr. Thorpe?
Thank you, sir. Why, I think you that pressure me, but Johnny pressure me more. I'm making a know still. Good evening, everyone. I don't know the words for the song, so I come with my paper. And the DJ say I don't have the music for hide out my voice, so I have to work with it. Huh? All right, so I could try this. Ooh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. If you give a little more than you take, and if you try to fix more than you break, if you're the kind who takes the time to help a stranger in the rain, there's a place for people like you. If you stand up for those down on their knees, and lend a voice to those who cannot speak. If you shine a little light, give sight to the ones who've lost their way. There's a place for people like you. I've heard up there the streets are made of gold. And when you get there, there's a hand to hold. I believe when our days on earth are through, there's a place up there for people like you. If you always serve those in need, like our pensioners and path beneficiaries, if you go out in the field each day to give people their vaccines, there's a place for civil servants like you. If you do your best at your job every day, regardless of the amount that you get paid, if you don't give up amidst the fuss because you want to make a change, there's a place for civil servants like you. I've heard up there the streets are made of gold. And when you get there, there's a hand to hold. I believe when your days on earth are through, there's a place up there for civil servants like you. I know you're out there, so keep doing what you do, 'cause there's a place up there for civil servants like you. Yeah.
No. The big man deserve a bigger round of applause than that. Remember say the boss a sing without any music, you know what I'm telling man. See, you couldn't find a rhythm for the big man. He want a special rhythm. A cappella. Him go. A cappella. Cheese and peas. A cappella. I know my people in here enjoy my 90s music, you know, because 90s is real dancehall. If I say dancehall, then you talk about 90s music, don't it? No, tell the truth. Allow me to tell. Don't it? No, in real life. All who love dancehall know say, for you say dancehall settings and 90s you have to go. You know what I mean? I not tell you say, the foundation we set it before, never set it, you know. But we are talking about when the era kick up, you know, when dancehall make impact on the world. You understand? Globally. All right, I'm going to see what I go on. I'm a selector. I know it's a bad selector. Dissing up people. And now I'm a selector on the right side. Watch out, no. All right.
Style and style can't spoil.
Come and say 90s. What are they? What say? All right. Hey, 90s is going on. Come on, man. If you're working right now, get up off your desk. Hold on. I don't see you style. Dancers, what is skanker them there? Skanker, see time now. I want it night and day. Right now, I know you sleep. I must say that and I know some bogus stay. Watch me dance and them now. 90s with them now. Let us see how bad them is right now. You ready to see how bad them is? You ready to see how bad them is? No, in a real life. We are so bad them is right now. Watch out. Watch out now. Hold on, man. Wait, they're not start yet. Dr. Sexy and say we're not start yet, you know. And a bogle dance at there. Show me the bogle then. Bogle, we know the bogle. Bogle, we want to see. You see, all right. You see the difference between, hold on, wait, young people. Here's the first thing. Hold on, pull up. Let me tell you the first thing back in the day now. Right? How do young, you know? I'm not telling you nothing to do what I do. We just show you how we used to do it back in the day. You saw Dr. Sexy and say, on a bogle dance. You see when a bogle dance I play. A bogle dance if we do. We hear the man, General. No. You're there for dance. No. You're there for dance. At your age, you can't tell me about education. We are telling you about how we used to do it. And you're not listening to me, you know. Play bogle song again now. See what I want. Just bogle. Watch it. All right, yeah? Yeah, no. That's it. Hold on. Bogle. Whoa, wait. Whoosh. Hold on now. Hey. Hold on. People wait now. Me like this. This name education gap. So you see dance we had a while ago? That name zip it up. Wait now. Created by Bogle. We understand that. Because we live through that. When we are said to you, hold on. Zip it up of it on a song. Hold on now. Don't zip it up of a song. Hold on now. Don't zip it up of a song. So you when zip it up a play, you zip it up. You when Bogle play, you Bogle. You when butterfly play, you butterfly. Play the song again, you cheese up, peas up. What is going on here? You ready to dance? Do it again, dance. Watch me dance to them now. Watch out. You ready again? Watch it up. Bogle now. Oh, turn it and make it. Step forward. Hold on. I don't see you style. Yeah, Bogle around the place. I just. All right. Yeah. All right, cool. Pull up. Give me the next dance in the 90s. Where next dance in the 90s?
Just dancing.
One more dance. I want to big up Mr. Thorpe one more time for that great performance. Big up yourself, Mr. Thorpe. Ready again? See it now. How a new dance.
Fine again. Around the street and the lane and round the bend. World dance is the name and the title.
What are the young boy?
I don't know why black was all love it so.
What are the young boy? What are the?
And the more roses sign and new stem. Brand new dance.
Pull up. No. Look here. We're not going to history now. Give me the next dance again. All right.
Everybody online.
Watch it online. Stop doing finesse. Watch it. Finesse. Watch out now.
It's about time. Everybody online. She's the man is with you, put them 2 times. Bring them to the air, alright, put it on fine. It's more than time. Take the dance so like you have step and cry.
What are they? Go yet. One more again, my selector. I was done with that section here. One more now. Whoa! Let me see what I want now. You ready, doctor? Whoa! All right. Fling with that. Watch out now. Where you go? Whoa! Show them the love. What the? Them dead enough.
this one
Them
is
dead off. I want to go now.
Now this one is
Dead off. You know what you want to
This one called
Della move.
Della move.
Hold on now. Me understand all where you say, Papa. We know because it transit already to who know. And we will not take it to me. I wonder about now. Can you walk one now? Della move again. Jesus, Jesus. Hold on there.
Water pumpy, then them come with cool and deadly jump pop, 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 pop. It done by me, fling with that tea. We want some new style, so me want everybody. Me say, come and follow me. What I call it? The Della move, to the Della move. Hey, come count the people come get in the room. The Della move, to the Della move. Come count the people come get in the room. Pint to one like to pint in for some.
Education. Education is important to the dancer them. I want to big up my skank of them doing now. My skank of them stay away now. Clap the skank of them. What is their name? What is it? Remember say all dance them. I get new name now, you know. Where's this name we just so well ago?
Popular.
Popular. Popular. No, that has. Oh, God. No, this is my tool, brother. You know. So all I say to you is, the whole room here, sir, grew up when. Remember say, me in my 40s. We never say nothing more. My son will be like you, daddy. So me don't talk. We just say dance name Della movie. I think about in popular puppy. Which one? Yeah. They said this is Della move. No, it has them variation. Is if you can do it basic step? Is if we name Jamaican people? No, what I know? We name Jamaican people. But we get the basic step. We start variate. We get creative.
No, you spoil the culture like.
Spoil? Yes. No. How you think you are doing it now? Eh? How you think you are doing it now? All right, you see you now? Go to liar. Stop dance. Look here, replaceable. Big up your dancer. One in them again. Fantastic step. We're not clap. Fantastic steppers. Boy, I'm to liar. Do we have another performer ready? We don't want the civil service family get too afraid to come perform because we're there, you know. Just forward and give you the performance because we enjoy you performing too. We are here to entertain you as well. How are going out there? Yeah, the people must have seen the Della move. Somebody said them young. Somebody said go on, Miss Host, that are you, Celian. Because I couldn't mean that. Somebody said them dead, you see it? And that's not old people talk, that's a young people talk. When young people say them dead. You know they're not dead for true. Mr. Top, you're the general. The people love you singing, Mr. Top. You just need a bands right now, you're gone, clear. You understand? You see what? No, black up on again, big up yourself. No, no clap it down to them straight, you know what I mean? I'm enjoying myself, man. Woo! Hey, Mr. Top, you sing out the place tonight, you know? And the girl, you might talk about you know, Mr. Yeah. What? Cheese and peas and ladies, brace on herself. The boss has said he's got another crooner for you. So, Mr. Top, you ready again? We're going to eat them with right now. The Barry White voice. Lady love. You ready, Mr. Thor? Ladies and gentlemen, here's the man himself one more time for your listening pleasure. Let's welcome Mr. Denzel Thorpe.
Natural, you know? Natural beauty, you know?
Hey, no, I've never been someone shy until I see your eyes. That's when I had to try.
Yeah.
Oh yes, let me choose my words right and then approach you. Woman, I treat you like a man is supposed to. You never have to cry. No, I know many men can relate to when they find that special someone. She's royal, yes, so royal, and I'm glad she's in my life. I never met anyone so one of a kind. No, the way she moves to her own beat, she has the qualities of a queen. She's a queen. Ooh, ooh, what a natural beauty. Don't need no makeup to be a cutie. She's a queen. So supreme. And when she asks what a good woman's made of, she's not afraid and ashamed of who she is. She's royal, yes, so royal. And that's it for me tonight.
I never knew anyone so one of a kind until the night that I seen your rise.
Check, check. I want to hear you clap, Denzel, one more time. Denzel, top. Denzel, you're a big singer. I never... No, Denzel, you know, so I feel like I like this stage business, yeah. I feel like I like it, you know. Something, yeah, man. Like it's that talent where you feel like it. Where's them guys singing like Chinese, though? Denzel, what that boy you know about you? Hey, little boy, behave yourself, you know. We have another great performer coming up. Ladies and gentlemen, this one is going to be big, you know. Let me tell you something. We have some talented people in Jamaica. And some of them just gave up the talented path because they, you know, they deal with the more scholastic part and decide that they're going to do civil service work to a different level. You know what I mean? Because central government themselves take care of people. Now, this young lady has done some great work. And, no, hold on. Let me say, oh, come on, please. No, sorry, different person. I bring up. Soon I bring up right now. Yeah, man. Trust me, has done some great work for the civil service. I hope the state minister is ready. Good, because right now, a big voice is coming to the stage. A big voice. This young lady is gonna blow you right away, right now, ladies and gentlemen. So this lady has dedicated a lot of her life to the civil service. And trust me, we're very proud of her. And look here now. She have a big song for perform right now from a big artist who is still the artist that's making the most money on iTunes. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Minister Marsh Smith, State Minister in the Ministry of Finance. Minister, please.
Good evening. I hope you're all enjoying the party at home or wherever we are. Okay, so there's no music, so I'm going to try and sing this song for you, a cappella. And yes, man, and for those at home who know it, sing it with me now. All right. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. 3 little birds pitch by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true. Singing, this is my message to you. Don't worry about a thing. Every little thing is gonna be all right. Singing, don't worry about a thing. Baby, don't you worry now. Every little thing is gonna be all right. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. 3 little birds pitch by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true. Singing, this is my message to you. Don't worry, change the key for me now. About a thing, baby, don't you worry now. Every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing. Every little thing is gonna be alright. this morning. Smile with the rising sun. Three little birds pitch by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true. Singing, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing. Don't you worry now. Every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing. Every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing. Every little thing gonna be alright.
Come on, give it up, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for Minister Marsh Smith. Is it Marsha? Is it Marsha?
Yes, sir.
Okay, them have Marsh on the paper.
They have
So it's
Marshall.
not- it's Marsha.
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 Like Marsha.
Hey.
Yeah.
You know, I love that song that they performed a while ago, you know.
Okay, good.
Yes, man, love it very much. I have a comedic routine to it. I don't know. I'm gonna tell you about it because, you know, Bob Marley is an icon.
And he's from my parish.
Good, Satan.
Yes, man.
But may I tell you, but we all know that Bob Marley is a man ready to enjoy all of his herbs, you know? Yes,
I have no comment.
No, but I mean, trust me, we all know. We all know. We all know. It's many pictures. We all know.
Yes,
You
we
know,
know.
He was a staunch advocate. Yeah. So I'm wondering, you see, because he sang that song, if he was under the influence of one of those herbs when he sang that song. Because
no,
let me tell you why I think
no.
so. Before you go into the explanation and the scholastic explanation, from a comedic standpoint, let me tell you what I think.
Okay, I'm listening.
Good.
Yeah.
Glad you're listening. Because let me tell you something. I grew up a country too, you know. I grew up in Portland, which is another very beautiful parish filled with vegetation. And no matter how much me grow up at Portland, I have seen maybe one bird. I mean, all right, maybe two birds. But I have never seen 3 birds same time
Okay.
pitch by my doorstep. Never. Everybody else might see a bird pitch 1 or 2 times, but never 3 birds same time. Now, if I see 3 birds, something in a something. Now, me, you know, say when you go to the third eye, you might see 3. If you open up the third eye, I think Bob's third eye was very open. You know, I know, so this, because listen to the song go further. It's not only him see the birds, them, you know, the birds, them, spoke to him. Him said, rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. First of all, you know, smile with no sun when you rise up in the morning. All of we know that, because you can't look at the sun when you just back there. You go blind. So I don't know where Bob was on, but that song is a beautiful song written there. Maybe it's the third time the song right so nice.
You're probably right.
Don't it? Big up. You have another song for us right now? A big performance. You're on the big stage.
Big
you know.
performance.
You sing Bob Marley, you know, it's your intro song, you know. You have a next one for us?
Well, you see,
I know you're talented.
I'll try another one.
Oh, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go
man,
one more time.
It's all about keeping the vibes going, right?
Good. That's exactly what we're doing right here. Good. But like that, you see it, checking the vibes. Gonna clap on them and encouragement, sweet labor.
Okay.
Hey. Yo, technical crew, no clap too, you know. Remember, say, unless you don't get paid already, clap, you know. Okay, that's
All
done. Talk with them, you know.
All right, so let me just, I don't want to forget any other words. So let me just do this quickly.
Good. I would do the same thing too. You can tell all the congregation, so we just find the words I sing with the you know.
Old pirates, yes, they robbed I.
Come on.
Sold I to the merchant ship. Minutes after they took I from the bottomless pit. But my hand was made strong by the hands of the Almighty. We forward in this generation triumphantly. Won't you help me sing these songs of freedom? It's all I ever had. Redemption song. Redemption song. Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our minds. Have no fear for atomic energy. None of them can stop the time. How long shall they kill our prophets while we stand aside and look? Some say it's just a part of it. We got to fulfill the book. Won't you help me sing these songs of freedom? It's all I ever had. Redemption songs, songs of freedom. It's all I ever have. Redemption song. Yes, me done.
Come on, ladies and gentlemen, one more time. Give it up for Marsha. Marsha, that was wonderful. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your hard work. This country deserves.
You're welcome.
This country deserves, and you deserve so much more. You understand what I say? Big up yourself. No, for real. And one more time for our state minister right there, Minister of State. Look here, man. Whew. Tonight, ladies and gentlemen, is a big night. It's a big night tonight. I'm not telling you a lie. Tonight is a big night. Tonight, what we say is a big night. We have, ladies and gentlemen, a massive performer coming up right now. Right now, I look at him, I don't know if I can look here. I don't know if which generation is him come off of, like Ken Boot side, I don't know a walk one. But if I'm Mr. Sibley's, I don't know what era I get tonight, but I mean I'm Clarks tonight, so you know the thing's serious. Yeah, so maybe we'll get the Wallabies, Clarks, and we never know. So ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for your third VP, Jamaica Civil Service Association. All right, see them again. Hey, people, don't, hey, I can't really know, correct them people here for me, please, because I don't want this boss, none at all, you know. The second VP, correction, Jamaica Civil Service Association. You know who I'm talking about. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Mr. Kelvin Thomas. Got you, Kelvin.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Big up to all the nominees and the successful person who won Civil Servant of the Year. Special mention to my colleagues from the police department, Corinne Morris, and also Mr. Foster and Miss Anne-Marie. Big up on yourself. Congratulations. Poverty Ali Jamaicans a kick. Poverty alick pan the child and the chick. Poverty alick pan the old and the sick. Poverty alick. Poverty alick. Poverty alick it alick. Me can't buy rice. Me can't buy flour. Every day price increase by the hour. Me can't buy yam. Me not have nothing for yam. Everything gone up somewhere around to Uncle Sam. Me belly full but a gas full it up. Searching every day but me can't find no work. If me go street, a thief me I go thief. But if me go jail, me have something for eat. System dread and the system stink. Things now change. You have to sit down and think. The rich are get rich and the poor still poor. The country full of crime and them still want more. When you know you're sick, you have to go public. You have to have strong dollars to get through quick. You don't have none, you know your life done. That's why the youth them pick up the gun. Them can't see no way hope for them gone. Sorry for the day them ever did ban. Start pan the crack, gone pan the coke. Oh, if it take bad things make joke. The country mash up some fed up and mad. Some people give up and stop trust God. Outside forget make woman have to fret. Rent too high make woman have to cry. Public purse make government fly while price increasing up to the sky. Don't ask me why, me say don't ask me why them get up every day with them mouth full of lie. Sit down in a office in a jacket and tie. I dig out the eye, I dig out the eye. All of them are feast from poor man pie, from poor man pie, from poor man pie. Poverty alick Jamaicans a kick. Poverty alick pan the child and the chick. Poverty alick pan the old and the sick. Poverty alick, poverty alick, poverty alick, it a lick.
Kelvin Thomas. No, we never tell me that's why boss man. Hey, Kelvin Thomas, say about never know. Hey, I saw the boss. Hey, right I know what your vibes now. All right, we are the civil service family. Hey, no, me not telling you the vibes turn up. Big up to all my family right now with the online watching us courtesy of Zoom. A Zoom, them a Zoom. A Zoom and a Zoom. 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 Watch it now, hey. I might song this. Johnny live this, I might song this. Zoom, new song this. Johnny come with the new dance name. Hey, zoom, get me on the zoom, zoom. Zoom, everybody zoom in. Zoom, watch how the zoom dance. Alright then, what I know? Show me the people them name. On the screen right now. Me want to see who I do the zoom dance. Straight up right now. Show me the zoom. Show me the zoom. Sharona right now with the zoom. Zoom. She a zoom. Hey. Hey, pull up. Sharona, make your basket right now. Hey, Sharona. No, I do the dance again. The dance are bad. All right, Sharona, make your. All right, see that gift certificate, Sharona. That's what I get right now. See it? Enough of them we have. Gift certificate, yeah. You ready for the zoom down, Sharona? And you and me are working right now, everybody. Turn on your camera and turn up Sharona right now. All right. Watch out now for the new dance kick. Me and Sharona, we are click. Everything done nice. Watch it lick. Sharona, say you ready for the pick. Zoom. Catch a new dance. Zoom. We are zoom out. Zoom. Sharona, you are. Zoom. Hey. Teeth well white and pretty. Look how the girl them nitty. Sharona, your hairstyle nice. And your glasses twice as. Hey, zoom. Sharona, zoom. Hey, she a zoom. Zoom. Sharona. Alright then. What I know? Who else can the video shine? Show me the people them know no mind. Show me the name them you know. Everybody show me your next name now. Zoom. Open the camera. Zoom. Open the camera. Zoom. Open the camera. Me have prizes and presentation. Open the camera now, man. Me want to see the people them with the new dance. Zoom. Open the flick now. Come me there right now. Me a zoom. Show them off. Zoom. Hey, we are. Hey, pull up. People. Bust the new camera them now, man. Hey, want to see camera busting now. A new dance. I want to see you do your version of a new dance. Name Zoom. Anybody bust the camera, we are getting them a prize. That we are doing right now. So fix up yourself. Go in a little corner there so we look good. Oh, not laugh. I don't know what you me attack. Mr. Richards, big up yourself, sir. Eh? Yeah, man, put on clothes, please. You know what I'm saying? It's not that kind of fear, you know what I mean? Yeah, go on the right place, put on clothes. We don't mind if the children are there, you know. You can't show them, they enjoy themselves. Yeah, I'm a clean artist. Sometime. But today I'm clean, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so ready again, my DJ. DJ Steel, you know the thing going on, you ready? Yeah, DJ Steel. You know we're paving out here. Come on. Flare him, go. Ready again, you know. I want to see you open your cameras right about now. Let's see what I want. Who next I want the camera? Alright. Hot. You know something reading me one back. Not tell them, I like my Zoom song. My song is shot, you know. I'm going to record it today, but it's a shoot. I'm creative for the people I'm writing so right now. Upon the ground, I do, you know, the thing creative, you know, right now. You see me? All right. See my friend who open our camera there right now. We are talking about fear now, you know. And that's the name, fear now. Fear. All right, see it now. Who wants to see a Zoom dance now? Fear with the Zoom dance now. Hold on there. Show me the version. Fear, you have competition. Hold on. See who that now? Who that? Ricardo West. Who that lady there though? Fayan, you have competition. Let me see a Zoom dance now. Show me your Zoom. Show me a new Zoom. Your Zoom dance here. Zoom. What that name wave? That's the name wave for you though. That's it. You go so it name wave. But what's the Zoom? Alright, hold on. Ricardo West. The lady that was celebrating have my Zoom dance now. Ricardo West, Mr. Wagwan. Alright, yeah. Alright. Show me the Zoom. Turn it up in each here. Watch how my lady now on Zoom now. You know the red pants like me. Ready now? Alright, Zoom dancer now. She has Zoom ready right now. Show me the Zoom right now. In the cubicle them, she has Zoom right now with it. Zoom! Show me, yeah. Zoom! But look how the man turn her back for me. You see, that's why when you see, you know if you go and dance, you know. When you run out on the DJ early and lose, you breath and can't manage you well for long. When you go dance these days, you have to know if you hold out. Remember, say, the DJ, hold on, let me tell you something. When we say we have prize, you know. Most of the people in the real dance energy, you know. Now mash up the office. Now mash up the office. Me not tell you if you go do a color them though. and pop down people all step on them fence and them something they know. Just enjoy yourself. And the Zoom song. You ready again, my selector? Come on, JISTV, let's go. Ready again, I might show. Let me see some folks right now. Let me see the name them again. Somebody else must sing the Zoom dance right now. All right, who that? Boy, who are the next camera now? All right. No, Shelly-Ann, where are they? Everybody with them Shelly-Ann supposed to get open that camera. Everybody with them Shelly-Ann, no say them supposed to get open that camera. Shelly-Ann, anybody named Shelly-Ann, yeah, supposed to get open them camera. Them really not. Alicia, Grant. Alicia really now watch. You just, who Daniel? You show say my watch. Some people just turn on the Zoom and left it, you know. So that they can see the register, you know. Hello. Remember, it's a big show here, you know, for real. What, mommy, look at the next basket. Look at the another basket that you're missing now. The another basket are here. This another basket is chock full of good quality. It have her a surgical face rag. Real wine. And if she says so, I saw. Okay. She ain't Dr. Sexy and she know wine. Buccaneer, Jamaica. Me never know what. It's a rum cake. Cause it's a piracy, you know. Me run from it and then name Buccaneer, me run, you know. Real peanut. All them have to opening camera for this. Well, I don't know. They have to go do a Zoom dance. Wait. A real wine for you, you know. Oh, Lord. And the sweet wine too, you know. Boy. Proper sweet red. All right. Open the camera again. We need Zoom dance, my friend. The cookie them well expensive. Surgical back. You know the tricks. You know the chefs go already. I civil service week. You know what say, how we do it. Open the camera so we can see it and zoom to the new dance. Zoom, catch the DJ. Zoom, look at the DJ. Zoom, him I heard him money tonight and him a zoom. Yo, this DJ, him a work, him a zoom. No, my friend, Fiona, come again. Fiona, come for the zoom. Fiona, you ready? Come for the zoom now. Fiona with a new dance now. Show me the, all right. See my friend come back here now again. Come now for the zoom. No, me can't manage she. No, me can't manage them. She come like she just love the song. She just want to show us that she a party. Eh? No, in a real life. I want to say we got to all the folks that are locking and clocking right now. This is an awesome thing. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm in my civil service week and I have a full job myself to the premium. You understand? I say, all right, who that know? No, Fiona get crowd. Fiona's in the crowd. Share me something in the basket. Bring it back. And with it, zoom. Show them with it. Zoom. With the girl, them. Zoom. All right, you dance with it. Zoom. Ladies, them. Zoom. Fiona, me like you. Look up for the girls. Damn. No, Fiona, look up for the girls. I'm sharing. Me not care. Share up your basket. Everything I have to share up. Good. Somebody go with the toaster chips. Somebody go with something. Ladies and gentlemen, that's the only thing going on. No, all right. See, the DJ, they are bad DJ now. I bust the dance floor now, my DJ. But the skanker them then in real life. Bring back the young skanker them, because them they start the show, and the show can't close out without the skankers them. Because they have been here doing to the show, don't it? Where say one? Wait. I have a question for somebody else, you know. Wait, I have a question for somebody else. Our last question. We have any more baskets over there? Eh? We have any more baskets over there? We have gift certificates though, don't it? Wait there. Wait there still, before the dancers come out, while they're making their way. I have a question here for anybody who's locked on right now. All they need to do is answer in the chat, right? Miss Kankers just stay close. You know the thing already, right? Just answer in the chat. Who's managing the chat? Here we go. What is the name of the committee responsible for Civil Service Week activities? What's the name of the committee responsible for Civil Service Week activities? If the first person to answer that get that correct, then we'll give you a gift certificate. Simple and easy. Let me know in the chat if anybody get it here. Please. You understand? The name of the committee responsible for Civil Service Week activities. All right. So we're going to give the dancers a final time to display their skills just for you right here. Because you know the dance hall can't stall. See? I want to thank the young people for coming out and showcasing their skills You know, we can always have fun, but it's really up to them now. Them are the new generation. I never present it and take it. You understand? But I'm sure you look at history, we keep the history true. But you don't know, say it's your time. So, you are the real stars right now. So, big up to you, the new generation. See it? All right. Anybody get it yet? Who get it? What are you afraid for the camera, so? You look nice. Come on, man. Come to you. Who this? Michelle Cummings. Hi, Michelle, is it bright in the class? Michelle, are you win? Michelle, where Michelle win? A gift certificate? A basket? Why? Michelle! You get the basket. Lord, Michelle, you get a good thing to answer the question, Michelle. I'm going to ask one more question. We can ask one more question? One more basket? A gift cert. Whee. What is the price? Oh, is that right? I bet you say, this is one you're gonna answer quick. I bet you say, you ever hear a chat bad English person yet? It worse than Patois, you know. No, God no. You ever hear a chat bad English man? I bet you say, they are gonna answer real quick, yeah? This one is a big prize, yeah? This is a gift certificate. I don't know what for, though. I must put that as a caveat. Just in case you see, just in case you start cuss Johnny. I'm not the person responsible for the prize. But it must be a big one because it's a gift certificate from Bridget Santos. All the person who give out the prize ball out a while ago. You're not eligible. Serious, you know. Here's the question, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, I'm not telling you. I want to go where them man that nearly answer the question. I asked me, yo, calm down on yourself. Want to get to no girlfriend, Bridget slippers. I understand the pressure. Yeah. The one with the flowers cost over 20,000. I understand what I'm going. All right. Whee. This is going to be a big one. From what? 3 categories. No, I have to ask a question where deserving of the award. You understand? From what 3 categories are the Civil Servants of the Year awarded? Talk to me now, man. First person in the chat to answer that correctly gets the gift certificate from Bridget Santos. From what 3 categories are the Civil Servants of the Year awarded? Turn it up now. Turn it up now. I'm waiting for the answer. I want to make sure that somebody get it right. It's a big question from a... You understand? So we stay. Yeah. Let me read it. We know what's here. I know normal question. You have to know your business to answer correctly. You know the thing go, all right then. What 3 categories? Civil Servant of the Year awarded. That's the question. Hey, who have the answer? Who have the answer? Who have the answer? Who have the answer right now tonight? Come on, talk to the people. DJ Steel. No, that mix are bad. Mr. Me love Mr. Mix then. Hey, Jamaica, we are the most creative people in the world. You know the thing already? Give me the mix now. Give me the mix now. Come down then. Give me the mix now. Bridget Sanders. Up programs now. Give me the mix now. All right then. Answers they come in like whoa. Look on the phone again. No. The fee said the answer just get yo coming. Talk to me right now then. Why? Who first? Tresha Gay. Oh, Sasha Gay. It look like some small man. Hold on, man. Sasha Gay Williams just got the answer correctly. Sasha Gay Williams, congratulations. Sasha Gay. What on there? What size you wear? What size you wear? Sasha Gay, what size you wear? Talk to me now. What size you wear? Please send your ministry in the chat. Sasha Gay, please send your ministry in the chat. Sasha Gay, please send your ministry in the chat so they can ensure that you get your prize. You know what goes, Sasha Gay, you know what goes now? Oh, Sasha Gay. I want them to put big and small. Hey, the camera they wish for bigger sandals. And they say, who won the prize? And they say, Sasha Gay. And she goes, boom, I go, so you know the thing goes. Enough leather, you know. But Sasha Gay, I suspect your feet are nice and tiny and beautiful and petite. You know the thing, I'm a comedian, you know the thing. All right, people, when a bright. Them brighty man, Dr. Sexian. No, I'm going to feel like, say, skank them ready to come skank on them DJ. So, we're going to party a little bit, right? We're going to party a little bit right now. At the final 15 minutes right now, folks. Yes? Them promise to teach you dirt? Boy. We'll start right there, so wait. We'll start right there, so. But Miss Skankers, please make your way on the front stage. Fantastic steppers, please. Who want to know the new dance now? A full time for sure, we know. Wait, hold on there. Talk to me. Thank you very much. A dancing basket them now. Because people will open the camera at dirt time now. We're going to learn the dirt from the young people now. Because I don't really know it yet, you know. I'm not telling a lie. I can't do it yet. Dr. Sexy and so much coming stepping, you know. Knee first. All right, hold on. I'm ready, you know. Think I joke thing with the pan. Ready. Let's go. Rude boy, let's go. Sit all right. Ear on top. All right, then. Boy. Boy. Because she's quick already. Hold on. Because it. Boy. Boy.
Everybody get your bunks, watch ya. Dirt. Everybody get your bunks, watch ya. Dirt.
Hold on. A dirt, man, dirt. I really dirt, man.
Everybody get your bunks,
boy.
Mama dirt. Papa dirt. Brother dirt.
Boy.
Sister dirt.
Look at him from here. Boy, hold on.
Granny dirt. One big
Boy.
familiar dirt.
Dead. Boy, I will listen, huh? I want to hit Jackie dirt. What I want to answer. All right, what's it there? Go up the camera there. Who are learning dirt? Who, hey, the first person on the camera to open the camera and show me the dirt right now. Win a basket. Me not rap with it. If you're doing the dirt online, you win a basket right now. Open the, hey, show me the man. Open the phone. Hey, open the camera now. What dirt? Show me dirt. Cameras can open and show me the dirt. Why? Dr. Sexy, and you have them. You have them. Why? Hold on. Hold on. Hey, the first person to open the cameras and show me say you're dirt, win a prize right now. Why? Watch the dirt. All right. I'm going to serious about the dirt. Show me the dirt again. Ready? Why? Let's go and work, man, dancer, man. Go and work, man. Go and work, man. I want to the JISTV. Go and work, see it out. All right. Boy. Yeah. Make the dance for them work. Open your camera, let me see what I'm going. Ready now in the, all right. Boy. Hey. Whoa. No, sir. I dance young people in time now. And young people in time now. We just stay on the one, I'm already on the coach. Are you ready now? All right, ready. I'm the DJ run out. I'm the DJ run out. Watch when the DJ run out. I don't say it's serious. The DJ run out. People, the DJ run out. That's done here now. The DJ run out. Show me what going on. The DJ ready now. Boy. All right. Hey. Hold on. People. I'm sure the same now in the work over here. Stay on there. Hold on. Hey. Pull up with me. You think I idiot? Pull up with me. You think I idiot? Stay on there. All right. I'm going to select now. You never know if that's so bad. In here. Hold on, man. Hey. Circle that. Why? Hey. All right. Hey. Whoa. Hey. Whoa. Circle it down. Like what? Do it, man. Why? All right then. Yeah. Ready? Hey. Yes, no boss. Where you want to show them? Whoa. All right. Who want to dance to them? Make real then. Part on the red sea for the selector. Part on the red sea for the selector. Hold on. Hey! boy right now. The dance hall is going on level right now. But dance hall is skanking there. Ready? All right.
Circle the dance.
Circle the dance.
Good boss, make it circle the dance.
Ready?
Circle the dance.
All right.
Circle the dance.
Ready, go.
Real fast. Like the
Hey.
place like Joker. See the dance. Circle like police. Do the place like soldier. Soldier, me and him, them are the youths. Them nav like these. Hand like these. Them nav like these.
Whoa.
Like these.
Ready, go.
Anything I say, I dance in the ready.
Hey.
Get mad, get wild, like you know that. Everybody does a dance like Google na dead.
What are the man?
Pull up again.
That's all I dance, man. 5 minutes we have to go to the big party now. 5 minutes we have to go to the big party. What are? What are the man? And they are selecting now, they keep it nice. What are the now? All right. Hey. 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 Yeah, man, that's how we are doing this now. Johnny Live and select right now, you know the thing go ready. What do you know about the thing? Feed, what do you know about the thing now? What are they now? Where are the guys for them? Hey! All right now. Boy! A different party, yes, oh my God. I feel it, I see that. Ready now. Left to right. Boy! We play. What we say? We play. Whoa!
We that doesn't man, no man be dead. I feel like we see from your to up to your head.
Hey! What are they now? Hey!
Past people we call on our neck.
What?
No for them they boy the girl we catching a winner.
Hey!
Girl with them my wife up every day I take set and I wrap up on the foot like a little shop at the internet. Me say,
whoa!
Girl I say me
Yeah, you hear me?
Whoa! Girl I say
Vice
me
Minister, come take back your dance,
Girl I tell me say me flare.
Yo, pull up. Jano, me I tell my selector, take back your dance, because I'm too bad. I'm too bad round there. We don't clap the dance to them, please. If you're in the room, clap the dance to them right now. Clap the dance to them. Dance and clap for yourself. Because you see them online show you, we work hard, but we can't hear the applause. You know what I mean? It's rough, you know. So have a clap for yourself. You see what I say? Big up the skankers them. I now like the party well turn up today. I feel good. I'm glad to get a new jacket for the party, because but I feel like we have the party never turn up and I never get the news on. The new jacket work already. Where you say, my lad? To them about? Yeah, and a Black Friday, I eat that. Get my discount, you know. And these are hard times. The jacket look nice, but I'm not showing nobody the label, you know. Because me say cheap and clean, that might tell you right now. No, cheap and clean, it's all right. That's straight China, this cheap, it's no problem. Yeah, man, that's right, man. You can sweat up in and dance in and roll upon the ground. Yeah, right, I'm coming on my uniform. Yeah, some people see where I wear some nice things, I don't know, so uniform this to me. Yeah, man, don't worry about it. Where's my boss? Big up to the crew. Message about my friend and the crew too, you know. I'm not telling my friend. I'm happy to see my friends out working. You know what I say, Dr. Sexy and Becca? In a real life, work, I go on the same way. Because we're struggling, you know. It's rough for we, you know.
Johnny, between me and you, right? You know me as Dr. Sexian, then people know me as Miss Shelley and Weeks.
Miss Shelley and Weeks?
Yes. The communications director and so. You know.
Miss Shelley and Weeks, communications director.
Communications uniform. I see me have my blazer and so. Yeah.
So Miss Shelley and Weeks, they don't know you as Dr. Sexian?
Most of them don't. Them I learned something tonight.
Is it true me love my entrepreneur friend them? No, I'm tell you the truth. So, I mean, I know you're with them, but you're an entrepreneur as well. So, Miss Shelley and Weeks, since you want me to formalize you, it's been a pleasure. Absolutely.
For us as well.
Yes, it's been a pleasure, for real. I really thoroughly enjoyed myself. You know, I want the president of the civil service to know that I'm always a civil servant. That's where my heart is. Because Jamaica can always call upon me, you know that, right? Creatively, culturally, any form I can to enrich this country. That's what I'm about. That's why I'm stay home, you know. It's a different story that you know, people. Come and tell you the truth. I'll send off party keep for me, you know. I don't think I joke. Chili never there. You never there one day. Big send off party. People are crying. He's going away.
No, but you went away for a while.
Yeah, 6 months. No, I'm glad I go when I go. I wasn't summer, I go when it's cold. I feel it cold, bite me. First year I go. First year I go when it's cold, bite me. I say, I got my yard. This now, I'm not built for this. Worse, you know what reach me, Shelly? You know what reach me? Shelly in weeks. You know what reach me? I go. All right, but this I say, I'm going to fight this out, you know. And when my wife, my first wife, said to me, say, yeah, man, I look good. My first wife said to me, say, let's go to the club. Let's do something different. And I said, all right, we can try that, you know. Right. You know, that's about December time, you know, when the winter kick up, you know. Yeah. And you know, as Johnny, you know, I live Jamaica already, a star from Jamaica, you know what I mean? I'm sorry. Yeah. I said, let's go to the club. I'm going to go to the club and realize, I pass people, I stand up outside. In a line. Like I go around the building. So I ask if that's where I go. And she said, yeah, that's the new club. I say, so we are getting. I say, you know the gate, man. She said, no, we just, I said, so we are going to stand up out there, sir. In another line there. We sneak around the building. I say, taxi man, keep driving, please. No, seriously. They go back on my yard. No, you can imagine. Me I left Jamaica when me walk up to the gate and the man never the door say, Johnny, come in. Me first stand up on that line. For snake run building. Me not love America, so. No. The reason, hey, me, different boy. Me can't tell him, I became a solo comedian and leave. Because I like work with people, you know. Story time before we leave, right? So, I was a part of, and this is a true story. Actually, if I like my time. True story. I was a part of a trio. We call ourselves PAC. Professional Actors Committed. What my name? PAC. Actors Committed. And we got great work. We work with all the ministry. Yeah, ministries. We do outreach program. And we do theater in the streets and so. You want to take yourself? You're all right, you're comfortable.
No, all right, man. It's just like the more we have two. You have a mic.
Good.
I have mic.
Yes. No, you say, where you say?
PAC.
Oh, good. They say there. Yeah. They say there. So, PAC. And we perform nice things, you know. We have perform a stadium. Big something going on, you know. But we get to work one time. We took us, and this is what mash up the group. We got to work in a Norwood, St. James. No, I'm mistaken, you know.
Country.
Good. Deep rural. No, me never know.
Country.
You never know say them people are giving the work. If me didn't know, would I refuse the work. We rent a old car. Can you know we're trying to save the little money where we get? A man tell us when we come early. He did insist. But the old car make we reach late. We reach there when the dance are going. Now the man said I keep a comedy dance combination. Yes. And we supposed to do the comedy part. Innovation. And then the dance finish off the party. Yes. Well, to reach late, the dance are going. Big song I play. Hey, the man are drawing gun off of we, you know. The man say, come on, I reach my place late. And I say, no, I'm done here where I go now. Come here, get to you, you know. I say, I'm done here where I go now. And the car brought down, I don't know the thing already, I know the shops already, I'm done. This is where I go on. And I say, like what the dance I go on already, my general, they give back half of the money, and we can just go and take yourself. And the man say, yo, take one yourself, I want to do it. I don't pay on already, but I want but no money from on there now. I don't want dead, hey boy, I want to do. I want the performance perform now. No, me as I get a youth. Me know so when the dance reach a certain temperature, don't break the dance. Me know that already, and if you get to it, supposed to know that, right?
You but understood the assignment.
My two friends, them never grow get us. So me just so PAC, Professional Actors Committed. PAC. Yes, sir. We go up on the stage. Remember that a real stage, you know. It's a plyboard and a bulb. You know what I'm going already, a country with it. So, all right. So, we go to boom now and touch the stage and thing. You know what I'm going already, right? We start perform, because you know the thing, right? We start weenie and PAC. You better chest back. Come in your ears with a talented attack. You better kick back. So that's what they told them to sing, you know. Now, while them are sing, I don't look in our crowd, come here and say, we are dead, we are dead, we are dead. Because me don't know what I'm going already. Me know it's a serious place, me there. And then people, the selector just play a lady song a while ago and we just break the dance, right? Yeah. One little man at the backstage and look power in a message and go in the man and look power in a pray in and with the pan a weenie and pack. You better just back. Come in your ears with a talented attack. Hey, nobody in the crowd now move. Some of you are going to nobody now move. Everybody says so. One. All me perform me dead, me go dead. The two of them are sing a weenie and pack, them just not stop. Them are professional actors committed. Well, me not tell you lie. Me see the come on when I back, I can just get fed up. I'm going to take out a bag of split and say, watch you now. Now give them boy, I tell me don't build my split. And I saw me watch him and I'm on a weenie and pack. You better just back. Come in and I'm seeing and I go, and I saw me watch him and roll his split and I tell him and I take out the first draw. And I start making way through the crowd. I come down saying, him alone I come through and I say, a weenie and pack. You better just back. And I watch him and the man start shake some of pants foot saying, and I said, General, walk one. And the man said, Johnny. 2 words, my phone. So I said, what that? Come on. Shellan, you know when I'm looking at my eye, I see what I want already. This is a serious get to come off. I turn to my 2 friends and I try to get them attention, but they don't really want to see me. Yeah. So you know, I'm going to slide off I stay gently, right? Because get to me come from this now reach me, you know. But now I'm going to do my performance every day. I'm going to the car neat and sweet. I make sure I'm sliding on the car. I'm going to the car. Time I hear my 2 friends I'm in there. We need him back. All of a sudden, me know all of a sudden I get because a ski master try to start the car, make a ski, guess why the damn car not start? Because a ski, the damn car not start. And there's, well, me look, me see my 2 friends, them a sprint towards the car. The time about the ski, and the car not start. Now when me look up again, and the crowd that me see behind my 2 friends, them, a sprint towards the car. Now me I say to myself, say, God, give me an escape route. I know them 2 boys I made the whole crowd come kill me off. Because of ski, me a boom, me say, yes, God. A vice in it, look at me, a vice in it, ever say, should I stay or should I go? When me look up, me see them about 3 foot pace away from the car. Me say, me nah get catch. From that, I have been a solo act. It has been great, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, my God.
Shelly and Weeks. It's been a while. Love on the family.
Let me bother something here now, please.
Please, hey. Shut. Who have a thank tonight, Shelly?
Hold on, let me stop. Sorry about that. Hey, as you can tell, that's not the first time I've heard that story. It's still hilarious, I swear. I want to say a big thank you to everybody who joined us this evening. And if you never joined us, tell them, say they missed something, because wasn't it an awesome evening? Put your appreciation in the chat, make we know what's going on. Big up the team, big up the steering committee, big up everybody who participated in putting on this thing, because it was quite a project. And we're happy that we're at the end and we've been able to pull it off. So big thank you to everybody. I just want to kind of go through real quickly and thank our performers. Of course, you know, we were serenaded.
Nicolette, we especially big you up and call you out and dry out, you know. Nicolette, we have a gift certificate for you because we're told you also answered one of our questions in quick time. And we, of course, are going to honor that. So big up yourself, Nicolette. Well, the cameraman has shut out him and bought him. Nicolette. Nicolette, me know him. You nothing know him. Unscrupulous. I'm sorry, Shelly and Weeks, please continue.
Nicolette, you'll be contacted to collect your prize. We are not going to give it to any agent present claiming to be here on your behalf. Okay? So you'll be contacted. So, I was telling you earlier that we want to big up all our performers. O'Neill Grant, President, Civil Service Association, Jamaica Civil Service Association. Mr. Denzel Thorpe, Permanent Secretary over there at the Entertainment Ministry. And Mr. Kelvin Thomas, who give us an awesome piece of poetry. No, man, Kelvin poemed the nicey. Seriously. From over there at the Civil Service Association, 2nd VP. And of course, Minister Marsha Smith. I am so happy that Minister Marsha Smith, State Minister in the Ministry of Finance, was here to join us. And I think it was an absolutely good look that she came and she performed 2 songs. We really enjoyed her performance. Put it in the chat if you enjoyed the minister's performance. I want to say a big thank you to her for coming out. I want to say a big thank you to the team on the ground right here, JIS team. They are the ones that's responsible for all that fancy camera work. When you see people are dance and these kind of things, the Zoom link, all of that. Thank you so much for being a part of the team today. Big thank you to my team over there in CompR. Listen to me, man. A lot of the times I come here with all of the craziness and go along with it, even though I'm not sure what is going to happen. And I say thank you for joining the ride and for trusting me. Big up on yourself. Big ups to my co-host this evening, Mr. Christopher Johnny Daly, my real proper good nice friend. A long time no know about Virginia. I saw him grow and he has honed who he is and he's here today and I'm so proud of him. Big up all of yourself. Down to your shoe size, my friend. You're awesome.
Big up yourself. My boys are from live share land this. You know me like when people sit to me and say, Johnny. Them call me the name now. You say, well, Johnny, what go on? I say, Johnny. I say, yeah, man, Johnny. And I say, Johnny, I'm from Lime Tree, you do it, no, Johnny. I say, no, I'm me that do it. You were there. Them think me forget. Yeah. But I appreciate that so much. It's just the love, you understand? So family is the love. And as I say, I am here. I am one of you anytime. Big up yourself. I'm a friend. You know the thing already.
Yes, of course. Big up all of you, Johnny. And definitely big up the people, the professionals, the civil servants who form the Civil Service Week Steering Committee. Let me tell you, they've been at it since Sunday gone. And they have one more something for the tomorrow again. So they actually put in the work for an entire week. I know, come my email and my phone stop ring. So I want to say big ups, Miss Sylvia, Miss Fabian, Miss Lorna Phillips, and the rest of your team. If I didn't call your name, it's not because I didn't remember you. It's because we need to come out to people in a nice hotel so we can go home. Because curfew still a keep. So thank you once again for joining. Everybody on the Zoom for tuning in. And let the people who never tune in know. Say they missed it. And big up to DJ Steel. Take me out with some tunes, Samantha. And the Fantastic Steppers. How could I forget the Fantastic Steppers? Come step me out, no steppers. Come tune DJ Steel.
And clean our people. Come make we walk. Hey, come make we walk. Hey, come make we walk and talk. When we are walk, but me no know. Hey, come make we walk. Hey, walk. Rolex, hectic. Hey, walk. Hey, come make we walk. Walk. Hey, three of us are walk. No, walk. Hey, come make we walk. Hey, walk. Come make we walk. Hey, walk. Come make we walk and talk. I'll clean our people. We all in our nation. Put a fire upon pagan. Can you work with Satan? Give the haters a walk. Come walk with diamond. Give the haters a walk. Walk with hectic diamond. Them a run down the magical school bus fool. Sack a piano pace like them a pro tools. Them a jump in our style. Them a dive like pool. Them a idiot. None of them can walk in our shoes. Hey, hectic. Look how the song a go bother them. Them did a mad already. Now them a go mad again. They just a wait for some of them go make a friend. Make a dust. On the whole of them. And walk.